A rare snowstorm swept the Gulf Coast from Texas to Florida, leaving at least 10 dead and breaking snowfall records across the region. Texas experienced its first ever blizzard warning, and cities like Pensacola, Florida, and New Orleans saw historic snowfall totals of 8.9 and 8 inches, respectively. Freezing temperatures continue to grip the South, with over 11 million people under cold weather alerts and record lows expected, ABC News has reported. The storm caused over 3,800 flight cancellations, stranded vehicles, and widespread disruptions, prompting emergency declarations in affected areas.